Yes, on one stage. So Ella and Katrina Villar, they sing in different song. The Katrina Villar song Araw Gabi, and then Ella is I don't know what song is that. So magre-react tayo kung sino ang pinaka maganda at pinaka mataas na boses nila. So panuorin natin.
Pakiusap ko ay pakinggan. Kailangan araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
So yes guys, so nakita natin, narinig natin ang boses ni Ella at saka ni Katrina Velarde. So ano ang inyong komento kung sino yung pinaka mas magaling at sino yung mataas ang boses at pinaka maganda ang boses. So before nyo mag-leave kayo sa aking YouTube channel is please subscribe for more reaction. Thank you guys. So let's